Hello friends, here I am planning to do a video tutorial on Google Drive. In this video series, I will talk all the important parts of Google Drive, why it's important, how can we use it, and how we can create files, manage files, and how we can share our files with others securely. Finally, I will give few tips which will be more important to you when you use Google Drive, and I request you to keep in touch with me through this video series and get all the knowledge which you want when you are using Google Drive. When we talk about Google Drive, it's a free storage which is given by Google. If you have a Google account, you receive it freely, and we can use it as our online storage to store, manage and share our files in an online store. As a whole, it's a online storage which we can use for our personal or business purposes. The most important one is we receive 15 gigabyte. I said it again, 15 gigabyte free storage to handle our files. Okay, let's talk more in my next video. In my next video, I will teach you how to start Google Drive and further. Thank you, and I think you will be with me. I request you to refer this video series to improve your knowledge, and it will be more useful in your future.